Hello everyone. Now we will be doing editing and omission exercises. So this would basically be covering your finding of errors, your use of punctuation marks and capital letters and all such various things. So let us first move on to our editing exercise. We will be first reading the paragraph before finding out the errors in it. Time is more precious than money. Money once lost can be regained, but time once lost was lost forever. Time and tide waits for none. Lost opportunities may spoil one's life. Those who doesn't act in time has to repent afterwards. An intelligent student prepares his lessons on advance. Hence, proper using of time is essential in life. Right? So, each sentence has an error and we have to find it out. So, let us start with the first sentence. Time is very precious than money. So, we see that in the first sentence, time and money are being compared. So, we see that very is the wrong verb, and very would be replaced by more, right. So, time is more precious than money. Next, money once lost can be regained. So, here you see that lose is the wrong word, because lose would have to replace by lost. So, time once lost can be regained, but time once lost was lost forever. So, this is not a thing that has already happened in the past, right? This is a general truth. So, you do not use past tense. So, we do not use was here, and was is replaced by is. So, this becomes but time once lost is lost forever. Next, time and tide waits for no one. So, here we see time and tide, this is like this is the subject we have, and here we have already studied in subject verb agreement. Having such a subject, we need a plural verb. So, wait should become wait. Time and tide wait for no one. A lost opportunities may spoil one's life. So, we are using that is singular, right. So, we cannot use opportunities, which is plural, that would be replaced by opportunity, right. Next, those who doesn't act in time. Doesn't, again it would become past tense, and where the passage is in present tense. So, doesn't would be replaced by don't. So, those who don't act in time has to repent afterwards and intelligent. So, again those who don't act in time, and has becomes a singular verb, while whereas we will have to use plural verb. So, has becomes have, right. So, those who don't act in time have to repent afterwards, right. Next sentence, an intelligent student prepares his lessons on advance. So, we can see that the preposition on has been used incorrectly. So, on is replaced by in. So, an intelligent student prepares his lessons in advance, final line. Hence, proper using of time is essential in life. So, the word using has been wrongly used, the tense has been wrongly used, and using would actually become used, because this is just a simple sentence, right. So, now let us read the entire paragraph with the corrected words. Time is more precious than money. Money once lost can be regained, but time once lost is lost forever. Time and tide wait for no one. A lost opportunity may spoil one's life. Those who don't act in time have to repent afterwards. An intelligent student prepares his lessons in advance. Hence, proper use of time is essential in life. So, this was the editing exercise.